Coding is a 21st century skill and is in growing demand in high schools, jobs, and upskilling. As an entrepreneur, you must take advantage of this opportunity. Set up and expand your tutoring business with us quickly. Welcome to CodeMode. We are a USA-based online coding school for middle and high schoolers. We have taught over 40,000 plus students in various courses since 2021. 100% paper-free. We offer a complete ecosystem to start a coding institute. Our platform is built from scratch for coding. We give you everything to start your online institute today, or add coding courses to your existing institute. Coding platform, courses, training, and support everything you need to start and grow today. Just add students and start earning or expand your horizon. We have world-class, practice-based courses and are adding new courses daily. These courses are in Python, Java, C++, MongoDB, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, data science, etc. We are the first platform in the world to offer coding courses in Hindi. Your tutors will simply follow these courses and train students. You can create and add your courses too. Most importantly, no pen/paper is involved, and everything is 100% online. We can train your trainers/tutors. Set up course structure. Provide a world-class teaching model or process. And increase student engagement, so that students truly learn and finish the courses. We provide support to your staff and, if needed, to your students. If you need to add courses, we can provide training and logistics support with the help of our back-end team. Our online coding platform is simple and intuitive. We provide a standalone coding editor and a built-in editor in the course and assessment for students to practice. We currently support C++, Java, Python, Ruby, JavaScript, etc. Our platform provides data and analytics to review students' progress and communicate with students and parents. More than 40,000 students trust us for their learning. We will share these students with you because many seek tutors and learning support. You teach and earn. Need some marketing push? Our marketing team can help you market your institute to get quality students. You can reach and enroll more students with our email marketing, Instagram marketing, and Facebook marketing channels. There are more than one reasons to start your coding institute. Whether you want to create a side income, build your brand, become efficient, or scale fast, trust CodeMode. Our innovative teaching model, clubbed with our homegrown platform, gives you a solid foundation to become successful as an entrepreneur. Start and grow your coding institute with us today. It is easy to set up and takes less than 15 minutes. Join today and learn a lifelong, futuristic skill with us. Visit www.codemode.us or like us on Instagram, CodeMode_US.